I present to you my new favorite lip gloss, जो कि मैंने of course नायका पेंसिल से मंगाया है, and इसका कलर बहुत ही सुंदर है. Let me show you. Look at that shade. Look at how pretty it looks. And it's a lip plumping gloss, so it feels a little bit tingling on your lips, but it's a cool tingling. Like it's not a very mirchi lagne wala tingling. It's a very cool sensation and it's very good. I would rate this a solid 8 on 10. I just don't like the applicator that much. ये थोड़ा सा मुझे fuzzy लगा applicator. मुझे इतना पसंद है. And I absolutely forgot to tell you ये ELF का lip gloss है. And if you want the link, you can comment down below and I'll tell you the shade name in your DMs.